To begin the flying quests in Margin Race, you should interact with the NPC named Pegasus. He is located in the Lost Waterway region in the Margin Beginners map. To begin the flying quest in Namekian Race, you should interact with the NPC named Del. He is located in the Dragon Nose region in the Namek beginning map. To begin the flying quest chain in Human Race, you should interact with the NPC named Kyamu. He is located in the Yahoi oil fields, right in this location. When your character reaches level 15, go to the designated NPC in that particular map and you take the quests given by them. You have to kill 20 turbo fasters. The NPC asks you to kill 20 of these mobs. In different races they ask you to kill different mobs, but usually it's about the same count. Hand in the quest. And he will give you another quest.
Hi.
You will obtain a scroll that will look something like this. So right click on the scroll and it will give you the instructions that you double press the space bar to fly. So you do that and then you follow the instructions. So once you move around, it will show that the quest is done. So you submit the quest again. Finished. He will additionally give you one more quest. He will ask you to kill another 10 mobs. You have to kill 10 of these big creepy Cybermen. After you're done killing the 10 mobs, hand in the quest again. He will give you another quest.
Hi.
Again you will obtain a scroll like this. Read that scroll and it will ask you to dash. So once you did the double dash, then you're done with this quest. So hand in this. So these quests are mandatory for starting or getting your permanent flight skill. At level 15 you have to complete this in the respective maps so that you could further proceed to the next quest chain that begins at level 20. The stage 2 of the flying quest begins at a level 20. The NPC Kwamu, located at the base of the Korin Tower in the Korin Forest map. So you interact with him. He gives you a quest. So he will have given you an item for flying. So just use that item. And he will ask you to dash. Using the same flying scroll, you fly to Daryl, located in the Korin village. You will come to Daryl here, follow the mission tracker, hand in the quest. He will give you a follow-up quest. For this mission, you have to kill 5 of these Kulpi supply units to get the royal jelly. Once you complete that quest, you hand in that to Kwamo. Daryl gives you the quest and you have to hand it in to Kwamo. Submit it and that should finish it. That finishes the stage 2. For the final stage of the flying quest chain, stage 4, The prerequisite is you finish the adult quest chain where you become an adult. To know how to finish the adult quests, you can watch my another video. I have provided the link in the description. So finish that and then proceed on to the stage 4 of the flying quest chain. After you have completed level 30 adult quest chain and you have obtained your masterclass, now you can continue the mission to get your flight skill. For that, you need to come and meet the NPC Daryl. He is located in the bottom right corner of the Korin village. You interact with him. So this is the final quest for which you will get the permanent flying skill, but this is not one quest, it is a series of quests in one quest. So if you press accept, you will see that the quest marker will point you at 3 directions. So you have to go and complete the missions given by 3 other NPCs in this area. There is no order required. You can start with any NPC that you want, and each one will have 3 quests for you to finish. So totally you have to finish 9 quests in order to complete this main mission. We come to one of the 3 NPCs. His name is Kefu, and he will again give you 3 quests.
Hi.
It will be labeled as Korin's Bellflower. So you have to collect these. You hand in the quest.
Yahoo!
He will give you a second quest or the second trial, for which again you have to collect some herbs. You have to collect 10 of these yellow Korin flower. You hand in the second quest. Now he will give you a third quest,
Hi.
which is the final trial. For this you have to kill a mob. For Kefu's final trial, you have to kill this forest king. You hand in the final quest.
Yahoo!
And Kefu's trial are done. We come to the next NPC named Taigu. If you interact with him, he will give you his first trial.
Hi.
For the first trial, you have to kill many of these aggravated bear soldiers till you drop the item, the fairy diary. I was lucky, I dropped it in the first mob itself. Hand in the quest to Taigu. Get the second trial. For the second trial, you have to find broken clothes, for which you have to interact with the tattered box. You got the second one complete. Hand in the second trial.
Yahoo!
And he will ask you to kill a mob for his final trial.
Hi.
For Tiger's final trial, you have to kill this mob, Tyrant's. Hand in the final trial.
Yahoo!
Now we have to go and interact with the third NPC. We come to the third and the final NPC, Soro. He will again give you 3 trials. For the first trial, he will ask you to collect 12 bull badges. For the first trial, you have to kill multiple of these defeated buffalo soldiers till you drop 12 badges. We come to the third and the final NPC, Soro. He will again give you 3 trials. For the first trial, he will ask you to collect 12 bull badges. For the first trial, you have to kill multiple of these defeated buffalo soldiers till you drop 12 badges. Once you have collected the 12 bull badges, you can hand in the trial 1 to Zoro. He will give you a second trial. This time you have to collect bull medal. For the second trial, you have to kill buffalo soldiers to drop the bull medal. You might have to kill multiple. Once you have dropped all the 8 bull medals, hand in the second trial and accept the third and the final trial, for which you have to kill a super mob. For the final trial, you have to kill this Thunder Fist super mob. I'm using my pet to distract the other mobs. Once you have killed the super mob, then hand in the third and the final trial for Soro. That should finish all the 3 trials from all the 3 NPCs. So you can head back to Daryl. After completing all the 3 trials given by all the 3 NPCs, a total of 9 trials, once you have done them all, you can come back to Daryl, who originally gave you the first quest. You hand in that quest back to him and you will be getting your permanent flying skill. This will grant you the permanent flying skill here, and you can fly around whenever possible, and this will be very useful for your regular transportation within the game. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.